Hello everyone and welcome back to 50 Plus Luxury Style. I hope you're having a fantastic day. Today's video is an unboxing, and it is, yes, if you watched my video from, I don't know, a couple of days or a week ago, I referred to some bags that were in my room, kind of lying low, that I had purchased from the pre-loved market. And so today's video is going to be about a brand where I have two items from that brand, but no handbags. And well, let me just tell you the brand. It is Bvlgari. And I have this ring right here, which is from Bvlgari, and I did the reveal on my channel years ago. I think I purchased this in, was it 2019 maybe? I love this ring. It has the three different gold tones and diamonds. It is a beautiful ring and I wear it every day. And then I also have the Bvlgari gold necklace that has, this is in yellow gold. Another really beautiful piece that I don't wear every day, but I do enjoy it. So spoiler alert, I got a Bvlgari bag. I don't own any Bvlgari bags until I bought this one, and I'm really excited, and we're going to go ahead and check her out together. Like I said, I bought her from a reseller, and she came in her little dust bag. It says Bvlgari right there. And let's go ahead and open her up. She is in new condition. To reveal this absolute gorgeous, gorgeous cutie bag. This is the top handle Serpenti Forever bag. And let me just give her a little twirl so you can look at her closely. It's beautiful. She is, as you can see, pink, and she has the famous snake head on the top. The snake head is in a cream, black, and green color with some gold on the scales, and the entire bag is pink. As you can see, what a surprise, right? And let's go ahead and explore this bag together. Like I said, I'm not really familiar with their handbags. It does have Bvlgari right here. And let's open her up. You just pull up. She has a clasp there, and she has 3 compartments. Now, she came with entropy. She came with all of this here, which I'm going to show you. So the authenticity card was included here. It also had another little pamphlet about certificate of authenticity, the card. She actually came with a raincoat. How exciting is that? I'm not sure. I haven't tried it. I haven't opened it, but she came with a raincoat, some Bvlgari tissue paper, and she came with the mirror. Let me show you. So I have not, it's beautiful pink on this side. It says Bvlgari right here. It has a little leather tab. And then I have not peeled it off. I haven't peeled off the paper. Let's just do it. Let me see if I can do it. Yes, here we go. Okay, here we go. Boop. Boop. Let me not blind you, but oh, she's so cute. I love it. Okay, great. Let's get to the inside of the bag. And she also comes with a strap. So here's the inside, 3 compartments, pink inside. This is what it looks like. And then the mirror, let's see, the mirror must go here. I guess, yes. So that's where the mirror goes, right in there. There's the little leather tab. And let me close her up and let's put the strap on. The strap has leather, it's adjustable. Oh, that's so cute. It actually has a tiny snake head right here on the strap. And as you can see, adjustable. It's very beautiful. And then the rest of the chain is like the snakes. It's like the snakes. So beautiful. Wow. And here is the end of the strap of the chain. I'm sorry. So the strap has the chain, which is absolutely gorgeous. And it ends with this beautiful round piece right here. This is Bvlgari, and this is what you're going to attach to the bag. Wow, this is really, really pretty. I almost bought a Bvlgari bag in Las Vegas years ago. I was there with my husband and I loved it. And I said, well, let me go back. It was a limited edition and I never purchased it and I've always regretted it. So when this one came up in pristine new condition, in a beautiful pink color at a really good price, I snagged it. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and put the strap on and I'm gonna do some close-ups so you can see how it looks on me. So this is how she looks on me, shoulder length. I haven't messed with the strap, so I think I may be able to make it shorter, but that's how she looks. And actually the chain is really, really pretty. And then of course you can just wear her top handle like this. It's just a really beautiful bag. Or you can, of course, just put her in the crook of your arm and she'll look just adorable. And let me try her crossbody. She is crossbody. And she is a very, very cute bag. I think she's the small. I'm not sure of their sizing, to be honest. I did go on the website to try and see if I could figure it out, but it said small on the website. Like I was saying, I did try and go on the website to get a little bit more detail, but I didn't find the exact bag. Probably was from another season. And I think it's the small because the measurements on the small and the website seem to be the same as these. I don't know if it's the mini, to be honest, but I am very, very happy and actually surprised about how cute this bag is, and the details on it are just spectacular. The chain is absolutely beautiful, and I'm very impressed with how you put the strap on. Actually, it has like a little clip here, and you just push down, kind of like if it was a necklace or a bracelet. You push this down, it opens up, and then you go ahead and just clip her onto this right here. And I think that's really pretty. So yeah, this is her. This is the one of the new additions to the collection. My very first Bvlgari handbag, which I am very, very happy to have. Let me know if you own a Bvlgari bag and what your experience has been. And let me know if you like this one. I think she's absolutely adorable. And happy to share her with you. So have a good day and we will see you soon. Bye.